What's up today, guys? Today I'm gonna play Geometry Dash because I missed 2 days or 3 days. In case it's 3 days, I'm gonna play 3 attempts on Geometrical Dominator. This is day 7, 8, and 9 of me playing Geometrical Dominator until I beat it. Meh. That was my mom. Sorry guys, I have to take this video. Let's continue the 3 attempts. No, that was my first attempt. This is my second attempt. By the way, do you like to subscribe my videos so you can get more YouTube videos? So please like to subscribe. I really wish to grow my audience and let me gain subs. Thank you. My goal is to reach 10 subs. Sorry if that attempt was hard. I'm sorry if I overused the word wide. I just like the word. But I think guys. No, I didn't reach far enough. That's it for this video. Peace out.